What have we gotten ourselves into? Go get the truck, buddy. We're in it!
Over and I just said, I hit the throttle and it straightened me up.
You just like hit the rock and just start going down?
Dude, our skills are way better, dude. This shit's hard.
This is hard.
Just enough rain to make it. It really rained here.
Yeah, it is cool.
Dicey, dude. Great.
It's great.
How much further?
What have we gotten ourselves into? Nice.
We're in it.
We are in it. Oh my gosh. Goodness. Golly. I feel mildly out of control at all times. It's not like there's any, I mean, there's a couple tough rocks, like big rocks, but it's just tough constantly.
Yeah, all I think of when we're going down or over, we gotta go back. Pretty good stuff, bro. That's it, huh?
I guess so.
It might not be the smoothest, but we get through.
I would say that's accurate. Definitely not the smoothest. Are you as tired as I am? Yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. No.
What came out? Your phone.
Yep. Go get the truck, buddy.
I wonder why it lit off the other time.
I don't know, it lit off here too. And I came down here and I heard something go tink.